In the world of classic cars, some projects begin with metal and others begin with destiny. And this 1966 Jaguar E-Type TR66 was one of those cars that seemed to be waiting for the right hands, the right workshop, and the right moment to be reborn. When this E-Type first arrived at Team CJ Works, it carried the scars of time. Tired paint, worn mechanicals, aging suspension, and an engine that no longer breathed with the passion it once had. Beautiful, yes, but far from the icon it used to be. Beneath the surface, hidden problems waited: outdated cooling, weak brakes, tired wiring, and components that had survived decades longer than they should have. The mission was clear: not a refresh, not a repair, a resurrection. So the team did what they always do. They stripped the Jaguar down to its bones, exposing every flaw, every weakness, every secret the car tried to hide. The body was carefully restored, panel by panel, line by line, until the legendary silhouette of the E-Type stood perfect once again. Then came the paint. Opalescent Silver Grey, laid down with craftsmanship so precise that the car began to glow even before the polish touched it. But this build wasn't about beauty alone. It was about performance. It was about engineering. It was about honoring the E-Type legacy. The engine received a full Stage 2 upgrade, built for more power, more torque, and more reliability. Improved cooling, upgraded ignition, custom exhaust, precision machining, a drivetrain built to sing at every turn of the crank. The suspension and brakes were modernized with high-performance components, giving this classic Jaguar the control and stopping power it always deserved. The wiring was rebuilt from scratch, every hose, every line, every bracket refined or replaced. Inside, the cabin came alive again with a Suffolk Turley black hide interior, handcrafted with care. And beneath it all, a set of Team CJ Borrani wire wheels completed the transformation. A perfect blend of style, heritage, and engineering. Piece by piece, day by day, hour by hour. The 1966 E-Type rose again. A British legend reborn with modern precision. A sculpture of metal, passion, and history. This wasn't just a restoration. It was a tribute, a masterpiece. A reminder of why the Jaguar E-Type is still considered one of the most beautiful cars ever built. And today, TR66 stands not as an old car repaired, but as a timeless icon restored, ready for new roads, new stories, and a new chapter in its extraordinary life. Welcome to the rebirth of a legend.